Sam, stop talking.
2 more people?
Come on!
We're gonna take a. Are we still in Britain?
You might still be in Britain.
Hey, we're playing our table right now.
You got a table right now?
Right here.
Can we go to Ireland, Scotland? Trenton, where are you gonna sit?
I'm just gonna watch you guys.
Trenton, you must sit right there.
I must sit?
You must sit.
Absolutely. You must say it in your most posh accent.
Eat with us, okay?
I'm supposed to eat with you guys?
You must sit right there. Or
Oh,
else
well how posh you sound now. Well, very well. So are you just the cool dude
He
today?
is the cool dude.
out. The queen will now banish you from.
If you're a queen, where's your crown?
If I came over the top.
I'm not the queen.
No, she's not the queen.
Stay here, everybody.
So you consider her annoying now?
She's always been annoying.
Ah.
Well,
It's true.
eventually you'll probably say she's tolerable.
No. Just kidding. She's okay sometimes.
I kind of wish I was a chicken.
Sam, literally, all I did is that, and it came off.
Did I ever tell you my grandma and I grew blackberries when I was little?
Where's my berry?
Won't you be my hero?